300 miles from the nearest coastline, something massive waits in silence. A vessel of this size doesn't simply disappear, yet here it drifts, forgotten. 900 feet of steel and engineering, adrift in international waters for an estimated 18 months.
The first thing you notice isn't the size, it's the silence.
The bow tells the story first. 18 months of salt, sun, and neglect.
Every window tells of storms weathered alone. Every broken railing, a battle with the elements.
A 5-degree list to starboard. The lifeboats are missing. Whatever happened here, it happened fast.
The life rings remain. The lifeboats do not.
At the stern, what was once a luxury pool deck has become a stagnant collection basin for 18 months of ocean storms.
Luxury amenities transformed into decay. The pool hasn't seen a swimmer in years. The sun deck, once the heart of passenger life, now a graveyard of corroded furniture and rotting wood. The bridge. To understand what can be saved, we first have to see what's been lost.
The corrosion runs deep, but not through. The hull integrity will be the first critical assessment.
3/8 inch of original steel. In some areas, less than 1/8 remains. The ocean has been patient, but thorough.
Standard boarding points are compromised. Alternative entry required.
40 feet of vertical climb. Every handhold tested before weight is committed.
First boots on deck in 18 months. The smell hits immediately. Salt, mold, and decay.
The exterior damage was expected. What lies within will determine if this vessel can be saved, or if she's destined for the breaker's yard.
The question isn't whether she can float. She's proven that. The question is whether she can live again.
The grand atrium, designed to welcome passengers to luxury. Now a monument to abandonment. Interior steel thickness readings. Bulkhead integrity is critical. These walls keep the ocean out.
420 staterooms across 12 decks, each one requiring individual assessment. The personal traces remain. Whoever left, left quickly. The reasons remain unknown.
Below the passenger decks, the real story begins. The engine room will reveal the vessel's true condition.
The heart of any vessel. If the engines are gone, so is the ship.
12,000 points.
Surface corrosion only. The engine blocks are sound. 18 months of neglect, but not destruction.
The electrical systems tell a different story. Saltwater and high-voltage electronics, a catastrophic combination. 62 major junction points. 41 require complete replacement. The wiring alone represents 18 months of work. After 12 hours of assessment, the verdict begins to form.
Damaged beyond imagination, but not beyond repair.
72 hours later, the salvage fleet arrives. The securing operation begins.
Before she can move, she must be stabilized. Temporary patches on the hull's weakest points.
14,000 gallons of accumulated water. Every gallon removed brings her closer to level.
Below the waterline, the real danger zones. Each patch must hold for a 400-mile tow.
From 5 degrees to 2. Not perfect, but tow-worthy. The old girl is fighting back.
The connection must be perfect. In open water, there are no second chances.
Connection secure. 400 miles of open ocean ahead. Dry dock waits on the other side.
After 18 months adrift, she moves with purpose again. The journey to resurrection begins. 11 days at sea, 3 storms weathered, 423 miles of open water crossed.
The largest ship repair facility in the region. 2 million square feet of industrial capability, all standing by for one patient.
Into the dry dock. For the first time in over 2 years, she will rest on solid ground.
The gate seals. 48 hours of pumping lies ahead before the full extent of the damage is revealed. As the water falls, the secrets rise. 18 months of ocean life cling to her hull.
The marine growth is so dense in some areas, the original paint color is completely obscured.
The propellers alone represent $2 million in specialized equipment. Condition assessment, cautiously optimistic.
Rudder integrity confirmed. The steering systems will require rebuilding, but the core components survive.
Ultrasonic thickness mapping. Every section of hull plating measured to the 1,000th of an inch.
The forward quarter tells a harsh story. 37 hull plates require complete replacement. Over 12,000 square feet of steel.
Engine bed alignment within specifications. The foundations held through 18 months of storm-induced stress.
The engines can be rebuilt. Cylinder walls show wear, but within rebore tolerances. She will run again.
The generators face similar challenges. Corroded, but not condemned. 2 can be rebuilt, 2 require replacement.
The full technical assessment. 18,000 individual data points. The picture is complex, but not hopeless.
42% of hull plating compromised. 6-7% of electrical systems require replacement. 100% of interior surfaces need remediation.
4 years of continuous work. 240,000 labor hours. The restoration plan takes shape. Planning complete. Now comes the harder part. Transformation from wreck to wonder.
Before rebuilding begins, protection must be complete. Every opening sealed against the coming storm of industrial restoration.
She has waited 18 months for this moment. Now, the resurrection begins.
Day 1 of restoration. 400 workers, 1 vessel. 4 years of coordinated effort begin now.
The first blast. After 18 months of decay, the healing process begins, 1 square inch at a time.
12 blasting teams, operating 16 hours per day. Every square foot of exterior surface must be stripped to bare metal.
Week 1 complete. 37,000 square feet of hull surface returned to bare steel. The damaged plates must go. Cutting away compromised steel to make way for the new.
Each replacement plate is custom fabricated to match the hull's exact curvature. Precision measured in millimeters.
6 tons of steel, positioned within a 1/4 inch tolerance. 1 of 37 plates requiring installation.
Each weld is permanent. Each seam must withstand decades of ocean stress. There are no second chances.
Every weld inspected. Every seam certified. The integrity of the vessel depends on these invisible bonds.
Month 3. 85% of critical hull plating replacement complete. The skeleton grows stronger.
400 staterooms stripped bare. The foundations of luxury revealed, ready for rebuilding. The interior surfaces receive the same treatment as the hull. No corrosion remains hidden.
3 coats of marine-grade primer. Each layer adds another decade of protection against future corrosion.
The heart of the vessel receives intensive care. Each engine component cataloged, inspected, and rebuilt or replaced. Tolerances measured in 1,000th of an inch. Each cylinder restored to factory specifications. 6,000 individual components. 800 hours of skilled labor. 1 engine reborn. 47 miles of new wiring. Every circuit replaced. The vessel's entire electrical system reborn. New switchgear replaces the salt-damaged originals. modern protection systems that meet current maritime safety standards.
The bridge transformation. From dead instruments to state-of-the-art navigation, control systems for the 21st century. Navigation, communication, and safety systems, all integrated into a unified digital architecture.
Hull plating complete. Now the protection begins. 3 coats of marine primer, each building on the last.
5,000 gallons of marine topcoat. The vessel's identity returns, gleaming white against the dark blue waterline stripe.
The waterline stripe, her signature marking restored. The vessel begins to look like herself again. Interior reconstruction. Building new luxury on the bones of the old, one stateroom at a time. Marine-grade paneling designed to withstand ocean environments. Beauty built to last.
From mold and decay to polished luxury, each bathroom represents a complete environmental transformation.
The first completed stateroom, one of 400 that will define the passenger experience. Luxury reborn. A production line of luxury. Each day, completed rooms advance and new work begins. The grand atrium rises again. From collapsed decay to soaring elegance, the heart of the passenger experience reborn.
The main dining room. Seating for 600 guests, equipped with a kitchen capable of preparing 5,000 meals daily.
The pool deck. From stagnant decor to resort-style luxury. The transformation could not be more complete. New railings, new decking, new life. Every element that passengers will touch, restored to better than original.
The bridge comes alive. Every system tested, calibrated, and certified for ocean operation.
The engines await their moment. 4 years of work, thousands of components, all leading to a single question. Will she run?
After 4 years of silence, the heartbeat returns.
Both engines running. 24,000 horsepower, ready to move 900 feet of steel across any ocean.
Electrical integration complete. Every system responding.
The vessel lives again.
4 years in dry dock. Now the ocean calls her back. The moment of truth approaches. Buoyancy confirmed. 4 years of meticulous restoration reaches its moment of truth.
The gate opens. What emerges is not the wreck from 6 years ago.
The bridge, transformed from a dead, dark cavern into a modern command center equipped with the latest navigation technology. Engines ahead. After years of silence, she responds with flawless precision.
Merging into daylight as a completely renewed vessel, the transformation is absolute, from derelict to masterpiece.
Perfect navigation through the harbor. All systems operating optimally. She handles like a newly built vessel.
The bow that bore the scars of abandonment now parts the ocean as a symbol of restoration, perfection.
Rebuilt engines deliver exactly 22 knots, perfect performance from meticulously restored power plants.
Steady at 22 knots. The vessel operates with precision, every system functioning at peak performance.
Maneuvering trials complete. The restored steering systems respond with precision, proving 4 years of meticulous restoration.
Emergency stop from full speed. Perfect deceleration. All safety systems respond precisely as engineered.
12 hours of continuous full power operation. Every parameter perfect. Every reading nominal. The restoration is proven. The sea trials are complete. Every test passed. Every system perfect. She is ready for service.
From abandoned wreck to floating masterpiece, the transformation defied every skeptic. She is perfect.
The bow that once bore the scars of 18 months abandonment now sparkles with complete restoration perfection.
The pool deck, completely renewed. From stagnant decay to immaculate luxury resort perfection.
Each of 400 staterooms restored to absolute luxury perfection. These are spaces worthy of the most discerning travelers.
From derelict to diamond, the restoration is complete. She is beautiful. She is perfect. She is ready.
Into the evening she sails, not as a derelict heading toward oblivion. Purchased for $2,500 as an abandoned wreck. Restored to perfection through 4 years of